I have 10,000 naira to spend on foodstuff at the Lagos Food Hub Idioro. While I do that, let me show you around the hub. First time stepping into this hub and I'm asking, what in the name of organization and serenity is this? Never shopped foodstuff so peacefully in all of my time in Lagos. No one is telling me, Auntie abeg no stand for there, go front. The vendors are cordial, I just felt so comfortable. And the price is jaw-dropping. Imagine getting a crate of egg for 3,525 naira. That's just one. The quantity of atarodo I bought, more than I would get from the market at the same price. Everywhere tidy. Another thing I like is that Lagos Food Hub has a dry room to properly store dry food stuff, and it's the same for the cold room. Overall, I had a beautiful shopping experience. The Lagos Food Hub is by far the best place to shop your food stuff. Alright, now that I'm done shopping, please come with me to Badagry. I have something very interesting to show you. Sampieti. It's a popular delicacy among the people of Badagry in Lagos State. The main ingredient in Sampieti is beans, which is made into porridge. So to make this, I started by boiling washed beans with some onions. Traditionally, toasted cornmeal, which is called tuwo, is used for making this dish. In the absence of that, I'll use the super crispy golden penny gari from my Eko Flavours bag. I'll toast these with a tiny bit of palm oil for 3 to 5 minutes, then set aside. Next, I have already cleaned efo tete, that's amaranth. This will also be blanched and set aside before I go on to season and grill my fish in the oven. While that's going on, I'll get pepper for the beans ready and also make the side for Sampieti. I'm using roughly blended atarodo and onions, which I'll fry till crisp. I fried some plantains as well. Now the beans is well cooked, so in goes the fried pepper, stock cube, salt and green pepper for flavor and color. I stirred and allowed it cook for a minute before adding the toasted gari. Yes, I know this is common practice, but what we did not know is that this is actually a delicacy of some people. Now, Sampieti is ready. I stewed the grilled fish with the rest of the fried pepper, took them out before finally adding the blanched vegetable. And that's it. Sampieti with plantain, stewed grilled fish, and steamed vegetable. Many people who already love beans can enjoy this dish with no strange feeling to their taste buds, just some added flavor and texture. The flavors of Eko are enormous and we are just getting started. Thank you very much for watching.